Today we're going to be making gyoza, and to make gyoza you're going to need these ingredients. Minced. Throw all the ingredients together in one bowl and prepare to mix it up. Sesame oil is essential for the gyoza taste. And also some soy sauce. Then use your hands to mix until everything is well combined. It's important to use water on the edges of the rice paper so that the edges stick together. Now on this first one I really fucked up. I haven't done this in a long time, and yeah, as you can see, this is turning out pretty ugly. Yeah, look at that, that's an abomination right there. Need to practice during this high-speed montage. Gyoza is usually served at Izakayas, which are sort of traditional Japanese tavernas where you can drink beer, relax and eat. And gyoza is also served next to big bowls of ramen as well, so it just makes the whole meal that much more unhealthy. Still delicious though. Now, after practicing a while, I finally could do a passable gyoza. I'm trying to like weave the whole thing together so it looks kind of nice. Yeah, I was happy with that one. Just took me about 12 tries. After wrapping your ugly ass gyoza, it's time to throw them in a pan. The pan should be on high heat, so check the temperature before you throw them in there. The pan should have some sesame oil, which is important to get that char underneath the gyoza. So first you're going to want to fry them for a couple of minutes to get that nice color underneath. Then, after that's done, it's time to steam them. So throw in a half a glass of water. And pop on the lid. Now this process can take between 3 to 7 minutes depending on the size of your gyoza. And hey, look who finally got himself a spatula. So one thing you can do is actually to touch the tops of the gyoza, and if it feels like sort of an al dente pasta, then they are ready. The reason they're not sticking together is because I didn't use any cornstarch in the water that I put in. I should have done that, but delicious anyways. And congratulations, you just made traditional Japanese gyoza, or Yaki Gyoza. This is usually enjoyed with a soy sauce and rice vinegar mix, but I chose to use Rayu, sort of a Japanese chili oil with soy sauce only. And it was extremely delicious, so I ate the entire thing.